I am going to do a quick tutorial on how to use an iPhone to scan high quality images that were created by hand, regardless if they're in pencil or pen or color. So I'm going to use the examples that were left on the desks in the drafting class of the week 5 graphic design in-class exercise from Intro to Interior Design. I did a screen recording on my phone. I'm going to talk you through. So first you will want to open up the notes, and then you will want to open a new note. In the bottom there's a camera. Click it and click Scan Documents. And then it gives you the opportunity to position your camera. You can choose color, black and white, grayscale at the top. This one has color, so I selected color. And this yellow box aligns with the document. It's having a hard time here because it is seeing 2 documents, which is okay because you can adjust the scan once you take it. There is an auto option that will automatically scan your document. I just do manual because you can adjust it anyway. So I'm assuming this will want to stay on a nice page, so I cropped it appropriately. I'm going to do another scan here. So again, I'm going to adjust it, and once you click on the crop box around the edges, it will zoom in on the corner so you can make sure you are getting that aligned. I'll do another one here. Another one. Oh, that one did okay. I'm just going to leave it. Let's do this one. So that one didn't even click on the document. We're going to drag it down from the one above it. Like that. And I start to have some troubles because it's so far up that my phone is thinking I'm sliding the screen. So if you don't have to click right on the circle, you can click below it, and it will understand that you're clicking the circle. Sometimes that happens with your phone if it's sensitive to that. And then I'll just click Keep Scan. I'm scanning multiple documents, so after I click Scan, after I click Keep Scan, it will keep letting me make more scans. And it's just collecting all my scans and saving them in a single PDF document for me. You can see that they go into the left-hand corner. If you just have one scan, I'll show you when we get to the end here. So with this one, it's just pencil. That first scan I took was in black and white. So you can see how pencil shows up in black and white. And if you notice, this has some eraser marks right now, but look what happens when I click Keep Scan. And for this one, I'm going to do grayscale to see the difference. This is also in pencil, but it does have some shading in it. So we'll adjust it. All right, so you can kind of see the difference of how grayscale and black and white treats the just white pencil on paper. So this one is landscape, so I can just turn my phone around and capture it that way. Again, I'm doing this one in black and white. All right, let's look for some that have some different qualities for us. Oops, that was an accident. Sometimes it will automatically grab something on your way, so this one was made in black and white. in ink. And so let's test how it scans. So it is a good idea to use different paper and different types of utensils and see how the scans come out for you. So let's see what it looks like on lined paper. And this also works too if you only want to capture a part of your paper. You can crop it to just that little area as well. Okay, so it eliminated a lot of the lines, but it is still obvious that it wasn't on lined paper, so you want to be cautious about that. So now I'm done. I clicked keep scan, and this is what comes up. We're inside a note now. Make sure to write something in there. So you could write even like hi, or you could just label it, whatever you would like to write in there. Just giving it more content makes sure that it saves. Okay, and then it's right at the top there. You can see week 5 scanned pictures. I'm going and I'm scrolling through. Okay, that's the mistake one right there. I don't know why I paused on it. Yeah, okay, so the lines did show up there. So I want to transfer it to my computer now. So I clicked send with the little box and the arrow. So I can send it as an email like that, or I have a Mac computer, so I can do just a regular drop. But you can go through and see all the apps that you have that could accept it. We have a Dropbox, so you could even save it right to our Dropbox if it's something you're ready to submit. So shared student folders, that's our Dropbox. Everybody has their own folder. The first folder in the Dropbox is a miscellaneous folder for class files for things like this. So I'm uploading that PDF. So it saves it as a PDF. You might want to then open it and edit it, or open it in a PDF editor and rearrange the pages, or you might want to consider the order of the pages as you scan them, knowing that it automatically places them in order. So I decided to do one more. So I discarded it, and there it goes. So that was an example. If you take a photo, but you don't write anything in the note, it will discard it. So just be really careful, because that has happened to me where I have taken a bunch of photos, but I forgot to write in the actual note. And therefore, when I went back to look at the scans, they weren't there, they didn't save. So definitely make sure that you write something and that you transfer it from your phone as soon as you can, just in the event that something happens. The Notes app isn't super stable like Dropbox or something. It's not meant for like saving files. So transferring that document out of it is important. And then so this is on my phone. I'm recording audio over recording on my phone. I also took a screenshot of what it looks like on my computer when I dropped it. If you do want to drop it to your computer or send it to your computer, it will open it in the Notes app. And so you can see that in the screenshot that's also in the shared folder. And then you can open it, you could submit it, you can do whatever you want with it. Now you have a PDF, a high quality scanned PDF of your work. So my suggestion is if you have that, use it and see how it works for you. Maybe it will help you adjust your line weights or your composition so that when you transfer it to a scan, everything you want to show up shows up. All right, thanks everybody.